Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious shrimp gambas, a classic Spanish appetizer that's quick and easy. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of large shrimp, 6 cloves of garlic, and a half cup of good olive oil. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of dry white wine, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and a pinch of chili flakes for that perfect kick. Fresh parsley, salt, and pepper will complete your mise en place. Now, let's get everything prepped for cooking. Begin by peeling and deveining your 1 pound of shrimp, but feel free to leave the tails on for a more elegant presentation. Next, thinly slice all 6 cloves of garlic. This ensures maximum flavor in every bite. Finally, finely chop your fresh parsley. Having all your ingredients ready and measured before you start cooking makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Time to cook. Heat a half cup of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Add your thinly sliced garlic and a pinch of chili flakes, sautéing for about 1 minute until they become fragrant and lightly golden. Then, toss in your shrimp and 1 teaspoon of paprika, cooking for just 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn beautifully pink. Deglaze the pan with a 1/4 cup of dry white wine, letting it reduce slightly. Almost done. Once the wine has reduced, stir in your fresh chopped parsley. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, ensuring every bite is perfectly balanced. Give it a quick toss to combine all those wonderful flavors. Serve your hot shrimp gambas immediately, perhaps with some crusty bread to soak up all that amazing garlicky oil. Enjoy this fantastic dish as a delightful appetizer or a light main course.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.